Good morning, it is Sunday and I got back from China 2 days ago and I was a little bit jet lagged. Not that the time difference is very much, it's just we had overnight flights and I barely slept on the plane because my back was hurting so much. So I spent the last couple of days just chilling, and I really need to clean my apartment. It's really messy and I've unpacked my suitcases, but I still have stuff everywhere and I just want to put it all away. So I'm going to do that today and do, yes, a big cleaning motivation video for you. I've had people requesting to do more cleaning motivation videos, which is crazy. So I'm going to clean my whole house today and I'm going to bring you along with me, and I hope it motivates you and inspires you to clean your house. I don't really know where to start. I've got bags of rubbish down there. I've got stuff on the bench. I have lots of stuff over here. Even my living room looks pretty messy. And I have lots of washing that I need to take off the rack and put away. And I need to do another load of washing. I was gonna do all of it in one day, but I had too much and I don't have enough racks. So I might put these away and put on a new load of washing. Washing is done. I haven't actually put away all of my clothes properly. I just put them on my bed because I need to deal with my bedroom in a little bit. So I think I'm gonna take out my rubbish, put a new bin liner in the rubbish bin because I haven't done that since being away. And I've just been putting all my rubbish into like shopping bags and delivery bags. So that can all get taken out. Need to clear off the bench, probably wipe down the kitchen benches. But because I cleaned a lot of stuff before I left, it's not actually as bad as I think it is. It was the clothes washing that was really killing me. I do need to put away all of my stuff in the bathroom. I bought so many like Korean skincare masks while I was in China because it's so much cheaper there than it is here. I think I got 20 face masks for 30 Australian dollars or something, which is super cheap. So very excited about that. But I have all this new skincare and all these new products and stuff I need to put away, plus all of the stuff I traveled with. I just need to tidy up in here. It's just like irritating me. So I'm just gonna go and do that. When I went away, I took the one power board I have, which lives behind my microwave, and I haven't put my microwave in yet because I want to clean up all of, I don't even know what that is, maybe coffee that I spilt when I was trying to reheat a coffee, I don't know, but I'm gonna clean up that and put the microwave back. Kitchen is done. I still need to take out my rubbish bags, but I need to do, whoops, I just walked into the whole table. I need to do my living room because it's pretty messy. I have these flowers just sitting here. I actually bought these while I was in China from some really cute little store that they ended up being $2 Australian each. It was 10 yuan, which is about 2 Australian dollars, which I thought was so cheap for fake flowers because I feel like here these would be $10, $20 each, but no, I thought it would be really cool for maybe flat lays or as props or something, and I really like them. I just need to find a vase or something to put them in, or even divide them up and put them into different vases and have different color schemes everywhere. But I really like them and I'm so glad I got them, and for now just sitting them here. So that'll do for now. I can deal with this later in the week maybe. Probably should make that a bit neater, but whatever, can do. It can sit there for now. It's really dark in here and it's not even that late, and I really wanted to go for a walk this afternoon. I walked way too far yesterday. I did like 25,000 steps, maybe more, and my knee's a little bit sore, but I feel like it's all right for maybe to just go for a little walk. I don't know, I'm getting real off topic here because this is a cleaning video, not a walking video. I completely forgot that I did my load of washing. I must have had my headphones in and been on the phone or listening to music, and I didn't hear the washing machine go off, so I'm gonna hang out all of that washing, and then it's looking a lot better in here. I just need to really do my bathroom, which I don't want to do. I'm really avoiding that, but I guess I might do that next. Washing is done. As I've been cleaning my house though, I've realized it's not as messy as I thought it was. Maybe I'm a bit messy in my mind, so it's just translating into everything else, I don't know. But it's feeling a lot better in here, and I'm just so glad that I got all of my clothes washing done. That is the one thing that I love to do as soon as I get back from being on holiday or being on a trip, is just all of my clothes washing. So that's done. I'm gonna do the bathroom anyway, just a little bit, because I just feel like it needs it a little bit. But I realized I hadn't actually addressed the fact that I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. I know it's been crazy, and all the videos before that were just kind of thrown up. They weren't very good. I'm well aware of that. Trust me, there's a lot been going on, and next video you will see I'm going to sit down. I'm just going to talk you through some things. I've been planning out not the second, it's because we're now down to like the last third. I've been planning out the last third or quarter of the year. Things are changing. I've got so much happening, and I'm gonna have a whole new bunch of videos for you really shortly, and I need to kind of just give you an introduction into all of those videos. So my next one is going to be about life changes. I kind of did this last year when I went back to university, explained some changes and then went into it that way. So we've got some more coming, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So that'll be in the next video. I'm gonna get on and do this bathroom. How bad is my bathroom shelf? There are so many products in here. These are all of those face masks, the Korean skincare ones that I was telling you about, that I'm very excited for. But yeah, I need to clean all of this up and pull all of these products away. So that's job number one. Bathroom is done, and I think I'm gonna wrap that up here. I know this wasn't a super deep, full whole house cleaning video like they are some of the other times. It wasn't obviously as dirty as I thought it was when I was getting into cleaning it. I have had a break from filming, and this is a nice way for me to ease back into things. Don't worry, I will be back in full force making videos very, very shortly. I'm just working through some things at the moment, and this is actually just a nice way to ease into making videos again. So I hope you do enjoy this anyway, and I hope you found it inspiring and you want to go and clean your house now. But I will be back with the proper cleaning videos very, very shortly, and with some really, really exciting other videos. I can't wait. But I'll see you in the next one for a big explanation of what's planned for the rest of the year. And at the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another video, and I will see you in the next one.